Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to MTF Mugod the Fixer. This is an update from 1969 VW bus restoration. Or if you're familiar with this bus right here, it does not use this type of rims. It uses this type of rim, like a similar to a Beetle rim. So what it uses is normally this bus is different because of it has the lower indicators, the indicators that are down instead of being up there on the fins, on the air vents. I mean, fins or air vents, yeah, because air enters in there when you're driving. If the car goes that way, and then air enters in there, and then it cools you down. So the indicators, they're down there, also down there. So the light. So on the 70, is it the 70, 73 upwards, the indicators, they're up there, just like this bus over here. As you can see, it uses this type of rims. The indicators, they are up here. Let me see if you can get it right. The indicators, they're up here. So this one over here, the indicators, they're down here. So you can just automatically tell that it is it a crossover or a bay window. It has too many names. So but then I just call them by their year make. This is a 69. So it comes with this over here. So as you can tell, your nuts goes there and there and there and there and there. So I had a problem because I didn't have too many of those rims right there. So I had these ones right here. So I wanted to move the car up and down so that I can try to fix it. Like I said before, this is a restoration project, but then I'm not in a hurry of finishing it up because I already have other buses that they are moving. But then I'm gonna try my best just to do bit by bit there and there. But then bear with me as I try to fix this old lady right here. So it comes with this right here. So I changed it. Let me take this one. I changed it. This is heavy, man. So I changed it. I put in a 72 in there. So I took this one out and then I put in a 72. Is it a wheel hub or what? I don't know what you call it. Correct me. Comment down below if you know what that is. Is it a wheel hub or a what? So I changed it and then I put in a 72 in there. So let's check this wheel up and then I'll show you how I did it. It's pretty a simple procedure. Alright guys, so we got the wheel out and then here we go. So as you can tell, this one is different from that one. So this one is a bit old, that one is a bit new, but I will be keeping this one. I'll just be keeping it if ever I decide to sell this car. So if the new owner or the person who wants to buy this car decides to put in this one in, make it all original, then he can put it back. But then for me, I like using this ones right here. It's a bit creepy, but it works perfectly. Your tie rod ends goes here, and then your upper bull joint goes there. This is your, let me show you here. This is your upper bull joint, then this is your lower bull joint. Let me show you in here. So this is your lower bull joint, and then this is your upper bull joint. So I don't know if I can't remember quite right, but I think this is a 19 millimeter socket. So you're going to need a 19 millimeter, and then you just take it out, and also down there a 19 millimeter. Your brakes goes here. So yeah, so it is really a simple procedure to do it. I did it because the rear ones, when I got this car, it didn't have the rear hub, so I had to use one of those. So I just decided that let me just take all of them out and then put in this ones, because I already had rings for this one. Then the other reason that I did it is because, as you can see, this ring is all rusted out. So even if I took it to a sandblaster or try to renew it or paint it, it won't be perfect, like it won't be new, so to say. But then this one's work perfectly. I didn't have any problem with them as yet. So just wanted to show you guys if this can be done. If you already did it, I've seen some guys who have did it. So yeah, it works perfectly. Although the car is not moving just yet. It does have seat. I took out the dashboard, so I'm thinking of taking this one out also. I'm not sure. The floor does not have the floor. The roof is a bit rusty, but there's just surface rust. Down here also, I'm going to cut that out and then maybe put a patch there. But then that's not what we are going to talk about now. Now it's just about to share with you on how to change your hub from 69 to 70 something. So with that, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like video, hit the like button if you do like it, hit it twice if you don't like it. That will show me that you really don't like it. I'm just playing, guys. Hit the like button if you really like it. If you do like one of these videos, let me know in the comments down below. If you do like this rebuild, if you want me to go deep into this rebuild, let me know in the comments down below. Then I'll surely keep them coming. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.